Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about Python data types, variables, and some basic things about Python. So what I've done is that I've opened VS Code Jupyter Notebook. This is the extension of the Jupyter Notebook .ipynd, and in this notebook we will start with variables. Now, first of all, what is a variable? Variable is actually a name given to any data type or any data which we want to recall later on, or which we want to find at later stage. Variable can be, for example, it can be age. Age can be 25. So 25 is a variable. Age is a variable which is storing 25 as a 25. Then another thing can be name. So my name is Umar. Third thing is it can be email. So my email is umir@example.com. So these are examples of the variable, and it can be date also. So one variable can be date also. So basically, variable is a label that is given to any data type. In this case, first is an a number which is represented by age. Another is a name or a string which is represented by name, email, etc. So I will run this code. Yeah, it ran fine. Now we will talk about type of variables. So there are basically four types. One is integer. So age is, let's say my age is 29. So age is integer. Another is floating type. So if I say what is the price of, let's say price, price equal to price of any object, let's say is 10.5 rupee. So that would be the floating point number. I will write float. This is integer. Third is string. Let's say my mobile number is mobile number. Let's say this is my mobile number. So what I will say, I will do, this is the string string string, and fourth is boolean. So boolean is student. TRU. That is boolean. So these are the different types of variable. To iterate again, first is integer type, as it is shown over here. 29 is an integer. Second is floating type. Floating type is basically contains decimal. Third is string. Mobile number I have shown here as a string. It can be, a string can be any name. For example, name is Umar. So Umar is string. Third is a student is equal to true. So true becomes boolean. What I can do is that I can convert one variable into another variable also. For example, if I type, let's see the type of the variable first. So if I look at the type of the variable, age, it is integer. Now if I say FLO to float, and then I say int age, so it will print 20 to 29.0. Now if I try to see the type of FLO to float age, it will come out as float. So what we have done is that we have converted the type of the age into float, and we can store it in some other variable. For example, age 2 is equal to float. Now the type of the age 2 will be floating type. As we can see, it's a floating type. We can convert age into, which is an integer, into string also. So for that, let's say age 3 is equal to str. Now if you try to see the age 3 type, it will come out as a string, as you can see over here. So now next what I will do, I will show you another thing. If you try to convert a string into a, a number, then in that case, it depends whether it is convertible or not. For example, my mobile number over here, which is basically 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. This can be converted in. Let's try to see what happens if you try to convert this into number, which is integer. So this time it was able to convert, but had it been some other string like my name, then it will throw an error. It is throwing an error because name is basically my name, Umar, which cannot be converted to integer. So this is how we convert one data type into another data type, and that's it for now. Thank you everyone for watching this video.